Hello and happy Monday to everybody. Wanted to make a quick video. I took a position here in Paramount, just tons of factors coming together for this position. So I think I'm excited for it. Think it'll be nice profit here. So first off, we have this gorgeous trend line, as you can see, starting around April that we just tagged today, as well as also bouncing off of the 52-week low. So we have two of the most important factors coming in together here. Also, there's been the whole thing where they're trying to acquire Warner Brothers, and there was some court ruling today where there's some 14-day ruling where they can't do some legal thing for 14 days or whatever. So basically nothing new is going to happen for 14 days on them for their acquisition, which is good. So basically no new news can come out for 14 days, which is also good. Plus the short interest is 16% on this at the 52-week low, plus knowing basically no news can come out for 14 days. So we have so many fantastic characteristics on this chart. So I think we are going to be due for a nice little bounce here on Paramount. So I did take a position in Paramount, right here at 8.65 for 1,200 shares. Did not want to go too crazy just because with legal things, who knows, maybe it could still just bust right through this support here, and who knows how low it goes if it does. With legal stuff, it is still a little bit risky, so don't want to go too crazy. So just taking, a standard position size, even, a little bit smaller than a standard position size, just in case, because things with court rulings and all that, I don't generally like to trade on court rulings and legals and other factors besides just technical analysis. So, that's basically all I do is trade on technical analysis. As you can see, we have this trend line and the 52-week low. So, when I was looking at charts, that is what stood out to me, was this trend line and the double bottom. And then when I did a little bit more research, I found out about the legal stuff, which is going to put it on pause, and as well as the extremely high short interest. So all of these things coming together, I think, make for a fantastic trade setup here. So I did take a position. So just wanted to make a short video on that. And, you can take a quick look at the portfolio. Not the greatest day on the portfolio. Take a quick look at the indices. The QQQ was up big earlier and is coming back down. We did take a position in the semiconductors on Friday that, actually went so almost pull up the charts here, almost negative. They were up 2.5% earlier. Adobe's bouncing a little bit earlier, Dollar Tree, SoFi. So yeah, everything is, kind of flat. But did take a position in there. I did also take a position in Oracle. is just so beaten down. Is just, you know, so beaten down. Take a look at the chart. As you can see, is near the 52-week low from last July. So did take a position hitting a 52-week low near. So just took, a small position in Oracle as well. I mean, just look how beaten down this is in Oracle when it hits a 52-week low. Should get, when this thing pops, it can pop fast. So, if it keeps, I may add a little bit more to it if it goes all the way down to 113. But, if it does go below 113, then I will probably just cut it for a loss. But I may double up at 113, and then if it goes even lower than that, have to reevaluate, but I'll probably cut it for a loss if it goes from like 113 to 110. But it's so beaten down, I don't expect it to go much lower than that. But yeah, the stock's really coming in. It's a little surprising. Was up bigger on the day. It was up big on the day, and everything seems to be coming down at the end of the day here. So that's a little disappointing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you like this content, and have a great day.